Good morning, chicos and chicas. I hope you had a great night. I sure did. I'm all fresh. Can you tell? Yeah, I haven't even washed my face yet. But I wanted to post this video because this morning I will be doing a celebrity interview. Some of you may have heard of the new series, which is basically kind of like a drug, story, which they're very popular nowadays in Latino television. And I will be interviewing Rafaela Maya and Carmen Villalobos. And they both have lead roles in this series. And I am reviewing my questions. But I kind of need like a little, pow type of question. So if you have a question that you want to ask these actors, post it on my page or just in the little comment box. So that way I can ask that question for you and I'll mention your name as well. How about it? All right. So post it. Hurry up. I'm leaving in about an hour. So get to it. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao.